our next topic is measuring temperature. Measuring temperature by thermometer. Yes, temperature. By temperature, we are knowing the hotness or coldness of any body. And which device we use for measure the temperature? Thermometer. Yes, thermometer. And by thermometer, we measure the hotness of the body. Hotness of the body. Thermo means hot. Thermo means hot, and meter means measure. That means measurement of hotness of any body. So thermometer is two types. Thermometers are two types. First is clinical thermometer and second is laboratory thermometer. Clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. Clinical thermometer generally used in clinic, hospitals for measuring the temperature of human body. So the temperature that measure the human body temperature is called clinical thermometer. Thermometer. The thermometer that measure the body temperature is called clinical thermometer. And laboratory thermometer. This thermometer measure the other than human body's temperature. Yes, so clinical thermometers are not able to measure the temperature of other than human bodies. So that we need another thermometer we call laboratory thermometer. Purpose of using, generally we use this laboratory thermometer in lab for measuring the like that freezing point, boiling point, melting point, or a temperature of a solvent, like that things we use laboratory thermometer. Other than human body temperature measured by the laboratory thermometer. Yes. So now about the clinical thermometer. Yes. So here see the thermometer is like that. Thermometer is like that. This is a thermometer. Nowadays we are seeing two type of thermometer. Two types of thermometer. First is made up with glass. That means transparent thermometer. And another one is covered with a fiber. Covered with a fiber. And when we measure the temperature of a body, that temperature come in written in a digit like that. 35 degrees Celsius, 37 degrees Celsius, like that things written in digit in a that cover with the fiber. But here in this chapter, in this topic, we talked about the glass tube thermometer that made with the glass tube. Yes. So this thermometer is made up of a glass tube. And second point, contains a bulb. This thermometer contains a bulb at one end. Here, this thermometer contains a bulb. Not like that tube light bulb, like that another type of bulb. When you see nearly by the thermometer, you observe here one little bulb. Yes, and that is filled with mercury. That is filled with mercury. And about mercury, yes, mercury is a metal. Mercury is a metal, and it is an exceptional metal that found in liquid form. Forms. Yes. Generally, we know the characteristics of metals. It is a hard solid, but mercury is an exceptional metal. Okay. So that it is always found in liquid form in room temperature, so that it is filled here. It is filled in the thermometer for measuring the body temperature. And mercury level rises up in the thread-like portion. The mercury level rises up in this thread-like portion, and that indicates the temperature of body. That indicates the temperature of the human body or which thing we are measuring. So that mercury level rises up here in this thread-like portion, and it indicated the temperature of the body. So the level of mercury can be measured by reading the scale, and the level of mercury is reading by the scale, measured by reading the scale. Record the temperature in degree Celsius. Yes, degree Celsius. We read this one, degree Celsius. So we record the temperature in degree Celsius. And range of human body temperature is 35 degree Celsius to 45 degree Celsius. Human body temperature is always between this temperature, 35 degree Celsius to 45 degree Celsius. And in an average, the temperature of the body is around 37 degree Celsius. Normal body temperature of human body is 37 degree Celsius. But we listen these things when we are having fever or any family member having fever. So generally we listen the temperature is more than 98, 99 degree fever, 100 degree, 101, 102 degree fever, like that we are listening generally. Yes. So we are not calculate our body temperature in degree Celsius. We calculate in degree Fahrenheit. We calculate in degree Fahrenheit and write in degree F, capital F. Yes, degree Fahrenheit. And both are a scale of measuring the temperature. Yes, so we convert this Celsius into Fahrenheit. I explain this one in next topic, but now I explain only the structure of the thermometer. Yes, again I repeat, it is made up with a glass tube. It contains one side a bulb and it is filled with a mercury liquid, and when we measure the temperature, so the mercury rises up. Mercury rises up in the thread-like portion, and that indicates the temperature of the body. जहाँ तक मरकरी पहुँचेगा और जहाँ पर वो स्टॉप हो जाएगा तो वही हमारा बॉडी का टेम्परेचर होगा, हमारा बॉडी का टेम्परेचर उतना ही तक होगा. द लेवल ऑफ मरकरी कैन बी मेजर्ड बाय रीडिंग द स्केल. इसके बाद हम इस स्केल में से मेजर करते हैं कि हमारा कितना डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर है बॉडी का. एंड रिकॉर्ड द टेम्परेचर इन डिग्री सेल्सियस. इसको किस में रिकॉर्ड करते हैं? डिग्री सेल्सियस में. देन वी कन्वर्ट इनटू डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट. Yes. So range of human body temperature is 35 degree Celsius to 45 degree Celsius, and average human body temperature is around 37 degree Celsius. When we convert this one, this come around 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. 37 degree Celsius normal body temperature, and also in Fahrenheit 98.6 degree Fahrenheit normal body temperature. If our temperature is higher than 37 degree Celsius or higher than 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, that means we are having fever. So next topic in next video. Thank you.